now you can have a clear understanding, a deeper dive into the electromagnetics capabilities and semiconductors, but a clear understanding of how ANSYS structure its platform to make sure it has the complete capability on the simulation. So ANSYS is the biggest simulation tool present in the world right now, and they intend to maintain that position, having the breadth of capability that actually can close the loop into the autonomous systems and vehicles and machines for the future. So looking into our solutions, we haven't talked much about fluids and structures. They're quite well defined and used for a number of years into the market. We decided to give a bit of a deep dive into the electromagnetics and semiconductors, which is a newer area that has a lot of applications in the autonomous and new embedded software systems. We also talked a little bit about SCADE and the new product that ANSYS just acquired and is part of our portfolio now, Optis. So we thank you all for participating in the webinar. We hope we have made good sense of what's the workflow proposed and how our tools can tackle each of those parts. If not, please visit our website, or you can contact us at any time in our direct phone. We also have the new ANSYS Advanced magazine that came out showing several case studies from actual clients that are working in this field and creating new technology. And we also have the Insight survey built by SIA and ANSYS. We can provide both those magazine and articles to you on your convenience method, electronically or via mail. Just have to contact us and we will be happy to send them through.